CTSI coin price has experienced massive growth in the past few months. What will CTSI be worth by the end of 2021? Now, you might be thinking if it's a good investment option and if it's worth the hype. Make sure that you stick to the video till the end, as we will reveal how you could be a millionaire soon and find out how CTSI Token would set a new all-time high soon. Hey people, welcome back to our channel. Today, we will talk about how much will CTSI be worth in 2021. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get notified about our new videos. If you find this video inspiring and wish to see more content like this, hit the subscribe button. Do let us know in the comments if you are going to invest in CTSI. So let's get into the video without any further delay. Cartesi is pushing smart contracts to new heights. It is addressing the urgent issue of blockchain scalability and high fees by implementing a variant of optimistic rollups. Cartesi, in particular, is redefining smart contract programming by enabling developers to code with mainstream software stacks. Noether is Cartesi's sidechain that is optimized for ephemeral data, allowing dApps to access data at a low cost. It enables developers to directly code smart contracts and dApps using mainstream software components and Linux OS resources. This is more than just a minor enhancement to decentralized applications. It is a necessary step in the development of the entire blockchain ecosystem. Allowing mainstream programmability means that dApp developers now have an entirely new expressive power to create smart contracts ranging from simple to quite complex. It also means that regular developers who have never programmed for blockchain will be able to create decentralized applications with coding experiences similar to desktop or web. The chart depicts the CTSI descending channel pattern. A descending channel is defined as price action that occurs between two lower inclining equal trend lines. This price pattern is formed by lower highs and lower lows. CTSI is currently trading at 64 cents. If the bullish trend continues, CTSI will continue to follow the pattern of a downward trend on the price chart. If the trend reverses, the price of CTSI could reach $1.79. According to our deep technical analysis on past price data of CTSI, in 2021, the price of Cartesi is predicted to reach a minimum level of 52 cents. The CTSI price can reach a maximum level of $1.79 with an average trading price of 76 cents. This coin is currently available on Binance, Huobi Global, Mandala Exchange, Upbit, Who, and a lot of other apps. This provides increased accessibility for those who are looking forth to investing in the same. CTSI is not a new crypto and has been in the market for quite a long time now. This increases the reliability and ensures that the investors are not diving into something that has no significant commercial existence. Let us look a bit deeper into the daily charts. The prices have been hovering much below the support one for a long time. Cartesi could break this support and then create the next support around 61 cents. After surpassing this, the next support that we can predict for this is the 63 cents mark because the prices have been consistently over this mark for the past couple of days. If we maintain this trend, there are high chances that we will be seeing an increase in the lowest lows throughout the chart. With all these, let us get to know CTSI a bit closer. As of 24th September, the value of CTSI is 64.0029 cents, with a 24-hour trading volume of $56,755,736. The current ranking is number 179, with a live market cap of $261,258,104. It has a circulating supply of 408,197,415 CTSI coins, with a maximum supply of 1 billion CTSI coins. Cartesi is a cryptocurrency that is ideal for long-term investment. Furthermore, Cartesi's price prediction is bullish in the short term. It is very likely to reach $1.7 by the end of the year. This, however, will only occur if many previous psychological barriers are resolved. Furthermore, as the Cartesi ecosystem evolves and improves, the value of Cartesi will rise, eventually reaching $2. However, if investors believe that Cartesi is a good investment in 2021, it could reach $5. If you found this video inspiring and wish to see more content like this, let us know which coin inspired you the most in the comment section. Kindly note that the prices of cryptocurrencies frequently change, so they might have changed to a whole new value by the time you watch this video. The information provided in this video does not constitute investment advice and is for educational purposes only. Do conduct your due diligence and consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions. So, there you have it. And with that, we have come to the end of our video. We hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you found this video inspiring and wish to see more content, then don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon to avoid missing any more info. See you all soon in the next video.